Hello. Today I wanted to show you some video I took of me digging in the soil. Um, Here you can see I'm digging into one of my sunken beds, and it looks all right. There's some organic matter from the straw I've put down, uh, and some looks like starting of some black soil. But honestly, what I'm starting with is just basically clay, very devoid of any organic matter. So anything in there is the stuff I've put in, and I've just thrown any type of wood chips or whatever down in there. Um, and it's improving pretty quickly. This is actually a few months ago. So, um, what's happened now is pretty remarkable in my opinion. Um, and I put the stuff under the microscope. You can see everything's moving around. And what that means is things are alive, things are happening, things are breaking down. There's a lot of things going on. In certain areas when I dug in, it's hot, it's composting, and that's great. It's absolutely great. So I'll leave you with some video of under the microscope. So, all right, thanks. Enjoy.